Okay, so the last question from our student, she has asked how to cope up with insecurity issues, and this will be the last question, ma'am. Taiba, ma'am, will you be able to answer this? Can you please answer? Hello, Taiba, ma'am.
Yes, the question is asked by Pooja Mishra. Okay, thank you, Pooja, for asking this. So, you want to deal with insecurity issues. Will you be able to elaborate more, like what kind of insecurity issues you are facing?
Ma'am, before question, even I want to elaborate this because same issues I have. Because in this pandemic, we are losing our loved ones and even the more important family member of this family member, like those who are supporting economic. So economic insecurity we have, then if we are, suppose that if I will die, what will be the future of my kids? That is also a one kind of insecurity. So these kind of social insecurity, we can say that these issues everyone they have in this pandemic. So how we will deal with them? Actually, the question I think is this. Rest things I think Pooja she can connect.
Like if
Pooja,
you,
are
ma'am,
you
as you
there?
asked, yes, ma'am, as you asked about the
Yes,
future,
ma'am. Please
upcoming
continue.
future, we are anxious about how the upcoming future will be, and we are insecure that what our future will like, what our future will hold. So the first thing is like how I made you all do that exercise. That future is something, now is the only thing that you can hold on. We need to remind ourselves that now is the only thing that we have. The moment ago, that was few seconds ago, is not in our hands. The few upcoming moments are not in our hands. The only thing we have is with us is now. So first, particularly realizing the moment, that it is only the particular moment that we are in is that we can control. And that the things that I said, like what are under your control, what are not under your control, as Pavanbir ma'am said, the making a circle, and then analyzing what all things you can control. And future is definitely one of the things that comes outside the circle of your control. So I think keeping and reminding ourselves that we cannot control and we cannot deal with our future unless and until we are very well prepared in our present. So we need to focus on our present first. Although we all know that we need to focus on our present, we many times just keep reminding ourselves about the future. Whenever we start studying for a particular exam, we just keep worrying about what our exam results will be rather than practicing for the exam. So whenever we feel distracted, we can just write in a sheet of paper what all distractions we have, and then again look back at the goal why we all started. It makes us come back to the now moment again rather than being anxious about the future. And if it is any other issue about insecurity, then we can deal it with differently. But now, since you are asking about the future point of view, I tried to answer it from the future point of view. Is it helpful for is it okay, or I think it will be helpful.
Okay, ma'am. Actually, the Pooja has asked about how the social insecurities, like husband and wife and extramarital affairs and so on. Insecurities regarding the social insecurities.
Okay, so Pooja ma'am, you want to ask about the relationship and trust issues you are facing. You can say, ma'am, would you like to just explain me a bit, like why do you think anyone being loyal or not, and what kind of trust issues you find yourself facing? Hello, Pooja ma'am.
Uh, Pooja, are you there? Yes, so please unmute yourself and please answer the question what ma'am is asking.
If you can just please explain what kind of trust issues you are facing, just please a bit, if you feel okay. Okay, if it is a network issue, I just want to explain overall. Okay, like I want to give you an example of my own mother. I feel she's a very strong minded person, I can say. She never has this kind of trust issue. Yesterday only, when we were discussing things, she said, like, whenever I go out of my home, even for shopping or even for marketing, or even if when I was far away from my home in Delhi, I was residing there, she used to call only at a particular time, or only when she felt there is a particular need. She never actually asked me where you are going, why you are going, these kind of issue, although she always felt that she might be doing something wrong, she might be going on a particular path wrong. She definitely has an anxiety that her daughter might do something wrong, but she made a space for me so that I can myself put myself in front of her and can explain my problems. She never asked me why you are going there. She might have asked me, okay, why you are going there, but that doesn't sense that, okay, you are not doing this right. She believed that if someone is in front of my eyes, it's okay. If it is like how you can say, even in this pandemic situation, we never believed we will lose our friends who are just 20 years old. It was never any expected event that we faced. But this kind of thing